champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
Welcome to Pagepedia Videography Challenge. I'm your host Erica Nlewedim, and with me I have a great actor, Ali Sonny Mohammed. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir.
It's a pleasure too.
Yeah. So, can you tell us a little more about yourself?
About myself,
Yes.
I'm just myself. My name is Ali Sonny Mohammed, popularly known as Sonny Ali. I'm a film actor. I was born in the year 1972,
Wow.
precisely August 6th. I attended Anzaruddin Primary School at Eputemeta. Later, I went to Mobolaji Anthony High School at Adekunle Yaba.
Okay.
I finished 1989. I got admission into Yaba Tech then to study civil engineering. After my first year, my ND1, I was on probation, so I had to leave. And I went to Federal College of Fisheries and Marine Technology, where I studied mine engineering. I had my OND there. Later, I went for a professional course, on which I had my top class mine engineer. So, I was a sailor then, but unfortunately for me, I used to be seasick.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How do you study marine engineering and you get seasick?
Yes, yeah. When I was on board then, we sailed for like 38 or 39 days.
Okay.
I faced for like over 32 days.
Before you picked that course, had you ever been on water before?
Yes, now, I lived at the Butemeta. We used to go and even swim at the sea then. I thought, I wouldn't know.
Okay.
So I had no choice. I had to leave.
Okay.
But thanks to God, our area then, I live at Odofa Street, number 28. The fourth house to our house was still the base of the actors.
Okay.
Likes of Ogogo, Taiwo Hassan, Yinka Quadri, Aramson, Azak Ajao. Then the owner of the house, Kakawa, Chief Kakawa. Yeah, though I used to go to their base to watch them, probably their rehearsals then. So later, then when I was still schooling, I used to go and watch their rehearsals. But later when I finished my school, I went on sea, I was seasick, I had to change my plans. And Ogogo too, he lives at Ondo Street, not far to our street. That's Taiwo Hassan. So he encouraged me. He was my, I don't know how to say it.
A mentor.
A mentor, a God sent, and everything. So he inspired me, he encouraged me. So I now joined them in 1994.
Oh, wow.
Then I was directly attached to Ogogo then. We used to go on location together. When we have film exhibition, he will send me, I'll go there to represent him. So from there, that's what got me here today.
Wow, that's nice. What do you enjoy the most about acting?
As in while acting or aside acting?
No, like just being an actor generally. What do you enjoy about being an actor?
I would say what I enjoy are the privileges at times.
Yeah.
That is if the person you are in question knows you are an actor, or especially if that person is a Yoruba man or a Yoruba woman.
Yes.
The privileges. Yes.
So, what has been your greatest career accomplishment?
I would say to the best of my knowledge, what I've achieved most is knowing greater people.
Okay.
As you know, this is Nigeria. In our industry, financially, we are not as sound as other artists. I mean, the musician and everybody.
Yes.
You know, we are film actors and film producers, and our main enemy are the pirates. So I won't go to the aspect of my financial worth. But alhamdulillah, I'm living okay. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Any personal goals or your career goals for the future?
Yeah. At least as a human, we are not always satisfied. We are always thinking how to go higher and higher. Yeah. I would say, I don't know. I just pray to Almighty Allah that in the nearest future, I'm greater than this in my place of work, my achievements and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. If there's anything about yourself that you could change, what will it be?
I would say my temper.
Your temper. Wow. Should I run away?
No.
Wow.
I get angry easily, but
Wow.
I get calm easily too. Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you most proud of in your life? The thing that makes you the proudest person in the world?
Islamically, it's not good to be proud. So yeah,
Oh my God.
I would say, I'm proud to be an actor. Yeah, I'm proud to be a Muslim too. Yeah, I'm proud to be a father.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Is there anything that you wish you knew maybe 10 years ago or 15 years ago? Anything you wish you knew before you started your acting career?
I wish I knew Alhaji Taiwo Hassan right from my birth. That's Ogogo. He's a very nice man. Yes.
That's lovely. Okay, how do you balance work, your family, fame, being a celebrity?
It depends. I do give them scale of preference. Yeah. When it's time for work, my wife and my children, they know I'm a film actor, and they know the nature of my work. So when I'm on location, I'm going on location. I tell them I'm on location, I'm going on location. But I make sure every day, every time, I do call them. Even when I'm done for the day, I'm going to the hotel, I do call them that I'm done, I'm going to so place, take care and everything until tomorrow, yeah.
Oh, such a sweet dad. Okay, that's good. So, as part of our Pagepedia tradition, you have to look into the camera and nominate 3 or more people to be part of this Pagepedia challenge.
Firstly, I will nominate a former honorable, a member of House of Assembly in Kwara State, Honorable Kende Alex Bankole. I would like him to be here. He's the CEO Cap Constructions and Lekki Courts. I would like him to be here. Secondly, I would like my good brother. He was once the SSA on sport in Lagos State, and now is a member of the House of Reps, Honorable Dolapo Badru. He's a very good man, a philanthropist and everything. I would like him to be here too. And lastly, I would like Alhaji Fatai Animashaun. He's the chairman CEO, Fatani Nigeria Limited. He's a developer, a businessman and everything. He's a very nice man too. I would like him to be here.
Thank you very much. So, do you have any words of advice for people that look up to you as a source of inspiration?
My advice to people that looks up to me and the upcoming actors and actresses, I would advise them to be, firstly, to be disciplined, to be dedicated, to tolerate people, to endure, and lastly, to pray, because it's Almighty Allah that does everything. So you need to pray.
You heard him. You need discipline, tolerance, and you need to pray. For more videos, go to www.pagepedia.com. Thank you.